Hello students, today I shall discuss special terms used in accounts of not-for-profit organizations. But before that, I have to discuss the meaning of receipts and payment and their categories. First of all, we have to know what is receipts. Receipt means any amount collected in cash or by check by an entity. According to their nature of items, all receipts are divided into two categories, that is, capital receipt and revenue receipt. Now, capital receipt. For example, amount received by sale of any fixed asset, amount received as loan, etc. In case of not-for-profit organization, received for a specific purpose like donation for buildings, donation for prize fund, receipt from sale of fixed asset, life membership fees, etc. are receipt of capital nature. This type of receipts is known as capital receipt. Now, revenue receipt. They are recurring in nature, which means they are generally received every year. For example, subscription, general donation, interest, etc. In short, all receipts which are not capital receipt are treated as revenue receipt. Here, general donation means the donation received in every year without any specific purpose. Dear student, one thing should be remembered that receipts and income are different. Receipt may be capital receipt or may be revenue receipt, but income always revenue in nature. Now, what is payment? Payment means any amount paid either in cash or by check by an entity for acquiring any asset, for discharging any liability, for securing any service or benefit. For example, purchase of machinery, payment to creditors, payment for wages, electricity payment, etc. According to nature of items, all payments are divided into two categories, that is, capital payment and revenue payment. Now, capital payment, any payment which result in the increase of a fixed asset or acquisition of a fixed asset or decrease in liability and benefit from which is derived for a long period is known as capital payment. For example, purchase of land, machinery, furniture, payment of any outstanding liability, etc. Now, what is revenue payment? All payments which are necessary for maintaining the normal activities of the organization are called revenue payment. For example, salaries, rent, electricity expenses, tournament expenses, etc. Dear student, one thing should be remembered that payment and expenditure are different. Payment may be capital payment or may be revenue payment, but income always revenue in nature. Now, I shall discuss special terms used in accounts of not-for-profit organization. Number 1. Subscription. The amount of money which a member is required to pay at periodical intervals every year in order to keep his membership of the organization alive is termed as subscription. It is revenue in nature. Number 2. Life membership fees. Any member pay a lump sum amount for the lifetime membership in the organization is called life membership fees. It is capital in nature. Number 3. Entrance fees. This is an amount paid by new members when enrolled as a member of the institution. It is maybe revenue or capital in nature. Important note, in the absence of any specific instruction about the treatment of entrance fees, it should be treated as regular income and credited to income and expenditure account. Number 4. Donation. The amount contributed by any person, organization or government to the concern for a general or specific purpose is called donation. Donation are two types: general donations and specific or special donations. Now, what is general donations? Those donations which are not for any specific purpose is called general donation. It is revenue receipt. Now, what is specific or special donations? Those donations which are received for specific purpose are called specific donations. Specific donations are always capital in nature. Legacies. It is an amount received by a concerned on account of will of a deceased person. Means, for example, Mr. Sharma have a fixed deposit with State Bank of India of rupees 5 lakhs. Now he is giving the nomination to a not-for-profit organization. Then after the death of Mr. Sharma, that particular organization, that is not for organization, receive the money. So this type of donation is called legacies. That is, the expiry of the donor will receive the amount. It is a capital income. Endowment fund. Fund received for the permanent means of support is known as endowment fund. The objective of the donor is to provide a source of permanent income. It is a gift or a special donation for a large amount. It is capital receipt and it is shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. Now, government grants. What is government grants? Financial help received from government is called government grants. Government grants are two types. One is maintenance grant, another is development grants. Now, what is maintenance grant? Maintenance grant are recurring revenues provided for meeting regular expenses. These are treated as regular income. The grants received from government for development purpose are called development grants. If government provide any amount for the development of their fixed assets of the organization is called development grants. It is capital receipt. Next, honorarium. The payment made to the person who are not employees of the institution is called honorarium. For example, payment made for guest lecturers or payment to special coaches, etc. are termed as honorarium. Sale of old asset. Amount received from sale of any assets are capital receipt. Amount received from the sale of the asset is capital in nature, but income received from this asset is revenue in nature. That is, for example, furniture value rupees 50,000 is sale rupees 60,000. Then 60,000 rupees 60,000 is capital in nature, and rupees 10,000 profit. The profit amount is revenue in nature. Another special terms used in not-for-profit organization is capital fund. Now, what is capital fund and what are its treatment? The excess of total assets over outside liabilities is capital fund. All the capital received and surpluses are added to opening capital fund, whereas the deficit is deducted from opening capital fund to find out the closing capital fund. The capital fund is usually made by special donations, legacies, capitalization of entrance fees, surplus and life membership fees, etc. Now, special fund. The non-trading concern may create or manage some special funds like prize fund, development fund, etc. out of the surplus or special donations. The receipt of such special funds are maintained under the concerned fund account as a capital receipt. The expenditure relating to the funds are deducted and income are added.